Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to remove animations on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, yung you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, okay, you can see the visibility enhancement, okay, tap this. In visibility enhancement, okay, you can see the remove animations. You can see the switch button on the right side and the remove animation is off. And okay guys, if this turn on, okay, prevent some screen effects, useful if you're sensitive to animation or screen movement. And okay guys, that's it. Okay, we have successfully remove the animation on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, so if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, thank you for watching.